The VIOFO A229 Plus brings dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors to a front and rear dash camera system. It emphasizes raw video quality over unnecessary bells and whistles. Check the link in the description for the best price. This system offers a well-rounded setup for capturing road events with clarity. These metrics reveal how the cameras perform in real-world driving conditions. The dual-camera setup produces sharp daytime footage that makes reading license plates and road signs very straightforward. Low-light performance is bolstered by advanced sensors that maintain detail even when headlights create harsh glare or deep shadows. Moving files to your phone is quick and efficient because the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection minimizes lag during video previews. The buffer detection system captures events perfectly, though you must ensure the unit is correctly hardwired into your vehicle. Superior sensors and fast connectivity ensure that your recorded footage remains clear, accessible, and ready when you need it most. These points show if the camera justifies its position in your budget. You are paying for high-end sensor technology that delivers real-world clarity rather than just inflating the pixel count. Including a rear camera as part of the package ensures you have full documentation for incidents behind your vehicle. You will need to set aside extra room in your budget for essential add-ons like polarizing filters and specific wiring kits. The system hits a sweet spot that delivers near-premium performance without reaching the high cost of top-tier 4K options. While you should factor in some extra costs for accessories, the core value offered by the dual-camera hardware remains very competitive. These metrics highlight what to watch out for during setup and long-term use. The underlying platform is well established, giving users confidence that the system will remain stable over the long haul. Data reliability depends on choosing a quality high-endurance memory card and checking its health status periodically. Routing the cables is a manageable task, though you must follow the correct steps to ensure the parking mode works properly. The company provides strong ongoing support through firmware updates and an active user community for troubleshooting. As long as you handle the installation correctly and use a reliable memory card, this system offers a very stable long-term experience. If you prioritize reliable front and rear evidence with excellent low-light performance, the VIOFO A229 Plus is a top contender. While you will need to manage the cable installation and pick up a few optional accessories, the core image quality and stability are difficult to beat in this category. It is a solid, no-nonsense choice for drivers who want a dependable record of the road.